Okay, hi guys, welcome back. I'll be doing a tutorial today on printing heat transfer paper. I already have my design cut out and I will be putting it on a bleached tee. This is a Gildan heather style, soft style heather bleached tee. So first, you gotta get your design. You get your design and you cut it out. You can cut it out in your cutter or you can cut it by scissors. So this, I cut it out. So I'm gonna take the back off. If I can get it off. Peel the back off your design. Okay, so it should look like that once you peel it off. Then I'm going to take my t-shirt and lay it down. Lay my design on top, line it up, take some heat transfer tape, place on my design, get those pieces down. The bottom. Okay, make sure that is centered and okay. It looks good to me. Place that back down. Then I'm gonna get my parchment paper. Place my parchment sheets down. And I'm going to press this for 15 seconds at 350 degrees. And before I peel the tape off, I'm going to let it cool down a little bit. So I'm going to rub it so I can cool it. tape off. Okay. Now take the tape off. Now we have finished. We got a piece of tape. Okay. Now we have our finished t-shirt with transfer paper printed from an inkjet printer and cut out. We also sell this paper, so you can join our group on Facebook, ERC Printing and Supplies, or you can go to our website, www.ercprintingandsupplies.com, to purchase this inkjet transfer paper. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You can like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you next time.